Hello, everybody. A very good evening. So, waiting for few people to join. Hello, everyone. Well, namaste, vanakkam, and a very good evening to one and all here. So, this is your host and host, Deepika Jain. It's my absolute pleasure to welcome you all today to this virtual dance showcase that is Ruh Soul to Soul, which has been beautifully organized by the Raj Adroja Dance Studio. So, yes, I hope you all are very, very excited. I am really super duper excited to host this virtual showcase, and we are facing this global pandemic in this lockdown. We are all very, very stressed out. We are all bored, and this is an amazing initiative which is being taken by the Raj Adroja Dance Studio. So yes, a small applause and few comments. You can light up your comments. Feeling, how are you all? Hi, I can see a lot of comments. हाय गाइस, हाउ आर यू ऑल फीलिंग, स्पेशली ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स. आप सब कैसे फील कर रहे हो? बिकॉज आज बहुत सारे परफॉर्मेंसेज होने वाले हैं. We are going to have spectacular performances, around 20 performances today we are going to have, and we have three categories, guys. Three categories hai, that is Ru Juniors, Ru Seniors, and Ru Mothers. So three categories. We have selected performers who will be performing, and the best part of the show, we have the celebrity performers who are going to perform all the way all around India, guys. Yes, so guys, how are you all feeling? Yes, it's such an amazing initiative. Wonderful. Yes, this is being taken by Raj Atroja. So, yes, guys, without further ado, let me, add up our the founder himself. That is the man himself. I would definitely point about him as a man with a vision and a mission and a fountainhead of illuminating ideas, because he has amazing initiative ideas with him, and because of whom this event has been possible. So yes guys, let me add and once again welcome you all today to the virtual dance showcase that is Ru Soul to Soul, organized by the Raj Adroja Dance Studio and myself, Deepika Jain. I'm so very glad to be a host for the show. Alright, so let me add Raj. Hi Raj. Alright, I've sent request to Raj. So guys, tell me. So I'm really very excited to see all of your performances, and it's really very nice to get decked up, because it's been 2 months. I haven't gotten ready for any kind of event apart from the live, and now hosting for all of you. It is such a privilege. Hi Raj, did you add? Hi Raj, I've sent you request. So come on, I want you to join. So guys, he's a founder. You all very welcome.
Hi.
Hi Raj. How are you?
Good going. Will be a great start.
Yes, it's a great
Excited.
join, Raj. How are you?
Great,
Excited?
great, great. Yeah, yeah.
So
Thank
everybody
you
is
everyone for coming. All those people who are watching. Yeah, we are super excited. We are happy that in this time we could do something for you which can make you smile, make you feel happy.
yes.
And we have got some great talent from across the India. And watch it till the end. ऐसा ना करना कि आपके बच्चों को डांस खत्म हो गया तो आप चले गए. End तक रहना. I am going to perform. There are many other artists across India who are going to perform. Sweet is also going to be performing.
Exactly.
Deepika, shall we start the first performance? Yeah, you want to
Yes,
wait for a few more people?
I guess there are a lot of people who've joined, but before that, I want you to tell me, like, we had this free online dance competition. So, कैसे आया idea ये आपके दिमाग में? Because just 10 days के अंदर आपने पूरा registration से लेके, you've got more than 150 plus registrations. So, how did you feel the support which you've got?
Acha, so the idea was like कि we want to do one show.
Okay.
Barabar, because we had been doing shows which we can pull people and come and make them watch. But this is like something we can do at a free of cost. घर बैठे public को instead of just binge watching Netflix and Amazon, they can watch something live on where you're seeing some true talent which is not established. So we are like, let's connect to those people who are not established, or we ran an online competition. I expected 30 participants, just 30. एक्सपेक्टेशन ही नहीं था.
Yes, I remember when you asked me to host, you said, हाँ 30-40 participants, मतलब हमको लगभग मिल जाएंगे, but trust me, thanking all of them who are online watching and all the participants out there for your immense support and contribution and support. So thank you so much once again from me and Raj. Yes, Raj?
Thanks to all those teachers and parents who helped the kids participate in this, because parents have turned into cameraman, home has become their stage, Tubelight has become spotlight. So thank your teachers for helping you out and your parents. Thank you, Deepika. All the best. Go ahead.
The first
All the
performance.
best, all the participants.
Looking forward. Bye-bye. All right, guys. So that was Raj, and as he already mentioned, we want all of you to watch the live. End तक watch करें live को, because हमारे बीच बहुत सारे special celebrity performers भी आने वाले. We have Raj performing. We also have Sweetie Jain, the main pillar of the show, is gonna perform amazing for you. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. First performance की ओर, ladies and gentlemen. Now we have the students of Raj Adroja dance team itself who are gonna perform. So yes, put your hands together. देखो, normally जब आप event में जाते हो तब you clap and support them, but is bar I want all of you to light up the comments, show your positivity, show the fire. I want all of you to comment and encourage all the performers. So first and foremost, I would like to call upon Sejal from junior level 1 from Raj Adroja Dance Studio. All right, so let me add Sejal. She's online. All I want to know if Sejal is online. I've sent her the request. All right. So yes, the first performer for the show, guys. I want all of you to be, super duper excited and welcome Sejal for the show. So very soon she's gonna get connected with us. Hi, Sejal, looking very, very cute. How are you? All right. Yes, the first performer for the show, guys. I want all of you to be, super duper excited and welcome Sejal for the show. So very soon she's gonna get connected with us. Hi, Sejal, looking very, very cute. How are you?
Thank you.
Yes, the first performer for the show, guys. I want all of you to be, super duper excited and welcome Sejal for the show. So very soon she's gonna get connected with us. Hi, Sejal, looking very, very cute. How are you?
Thank you.
Yes, the first performer for the show, guys. I want all of you to be, super duper excited and welcome Sejal for the show. So very soon she's gonna get connected with us. I guess she's got disconnected. So once again, I'm going to add Sejal. I guess some kind of audio issue was there from their side. So live का थोड़ा सा volume less कर दीजिए. I'm just going to add you once again, Sejal. Sejal, I've sent you the request. You can also see. Okay, meanwhile. Sejal, if you can send me request, because I've already sent you the request, see if you can send me the request. All right, so Sejal is going to be there with us, guys. So yes, let's cheer up. I guess the audio was... Sejal, I'm going to off screen. All the best.
Thank you.
Is it off screen? Go there.
amazing performance, Sejal. That was super
Thank
duper.
you.
Thank you so much, Sejal. Yeah, bye bye.
Bye.
All right, guys. So that was Sejal. She's performed so well. So yes, guys, let me know how did you find Sejal's performance. So keep commenting, keep showering your love, support, and your encouragement to all the wonderful kids. So moving on to the next performance. For the next performance, we have Chirag from Junior Level 2 from the Raj Adoja Dance Studio. So yes, Chirag, I'm gonna add you up now. So yes, guys, wait with me. All right. So guys, as very soon. So these are the performers all the way from, I mean, they are the students of Raj Adoja Dance Studio and they are totally the killer dances connecting with Chirag. Yes, Chirag. So guys, let me know in comments. Okay, a lot of people have joined. So I want all of you to watch this live till the end. Yes, guys, because we do have a lot of performers, lot of outstanding performers. We also have the guest performers all the way from Mumbai and all the way, all parts of India. And we also have the founder Raj and Sweetie also performing. Okay, it's getting connecting. Chirag. So matting up once again. Cool. Chirag, is he online? Can you just check and let me know? All right. Chirag, I've sent you the request. Let me know if you found the request because all right, once again I've added Kuldeep. Come on, Kuldeep, I want all to join. Hi, Kuldeep. Hi, Chirag.
Hi.
Okay, Chirag, ready? Ready to go? All the
Yeah.
very best. All the very best. Wonderful, wonderful performance, Chirag. Thank you so much for
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
All right. So yes, guys, thank you so much for watching, everybody of you. So the next performer I'm gonna add up is Lakshna from the intermediate branch. That is, she's also from Raj Aroja Dance Studio. So I'm gonna add Lakshna now. I hope Lakshna you're online. So yes, guys, wait for the performance and amazing to see all of yours. The great support. So Lakshna is gonna join me very very soon now. So they are the kids, and it's amazing to see their spirit and enthusiasm. Hi, Lakshana. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Ready?
How are you?
Go? Ready?
What?
Ready to go?
Yes.
Yes.
नैनो वाले ने छेड़ा मन का प्याला छलकाई मधुशाला मेरा चैन रैन नैन अपने साथ ले गया नैनो वाले ने नैनो वाले ने नैनो वाले ने छेड़ा मन का प्याला छलकाई मधुशाला मेरा चैन रैन नैन अपने साथ ले गया पग पग डोलो रे हो पग पग डोलो रे डगमग चंदन पे लोग सीखते मैं होश तू नशा ऐसी मोह की दशा मेरा चैन रैन नैन अपने साथ ले गया नैनो वाले नैनो वाले नैनो वाले ने छेड़ा मन का प्याला छलकाई मधुशाला मेरा चैन रैन नैन अपने साथ ले गया
Thank you, Lakshna. That was so graceful. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, wonderful performance. Thank you so much. Bye bye. All right, so that was a fabulous performance by Lakshana, guys. So yes, thank you so much for everybody who is commenting. So now, guys, I'm gonna add a very special person, the main pillar, I would say, for this event and for the Raj Aroja Dance Studio. She is the main pillar, and she when this event has started, she's the one who has planned, executed in a very beautiful way. So like this event, she has led many more events for Raj Atoja Dance Studio, like RJ's Bollywood show, that is Dance for Cause, and many more annual events like Ramayan for Pikani School and so on. So she is very super duper talented, and she is well known for her beautiful grace, for her wonderful costume styling, and for her patience and perseverance. So yes, I'm very sure by this amazing intro you would have got कि ये person कौन है, इतना मैंने इतनी encouragement के साथ उनके बारे में बोला. So I'm super very excited to add Sweetie Jane, the very very talented dancer and choreographer. So I'm gonna add Sweetie now. Yes. So I am really looking forward to have a chat with Sweetie.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Happy to go. I'm really doing good. So yes, as I already spoke a lot about you, saying you are you were the one to take care of the whole event. So कैसे, because एक event को host करना, completely organize करना, it is very difficult. It is not an easy task at all. So how did you आपका experience share कीजिए?
My experience was really good. And first, I would tell about Raj. उनकी एक secret quality है. He's a very good risk taker as well as a planner. So what he does is, whenever he comes up with an idea, what he does is एक अच्छा plan होता है, एक बुरा भी क्या होने वाला है, he'll tell everything. Wrong scenario क्या होगा, best case scenario क्या होगा, he tells everything. So it makes it very easy to do all our job.
Wonderful. And I would want to mention that the three performances jo abhi the students of Raj Aroja Dance Studio has performed, it's been beautifully choreographed by you, and they had killer performances. Generally sikhana easy hota hai, but in this lockdown आपने online maybe you've taught them. So how was that experience overall to teach them in online, because it is again a very difficult task, teach the
Yeah,
kids.
yeah.
So tell me about that experience.
It was not a difficult task for me because the parents were very cooperative and kids were very much excited.
Okay.
उनको बस दीदी मैं कब करने वाला हूँ. This is what they were saying to me. So it was very fun event for me.
All right. So, what is your success mantra? You take up things so, well, it becomes so easy for you. For other people, it seems very difficult because, you hosted RJ's Bollywood dance show, which for an amazing cause, and many more events. You've been leading that right from the choreography, costume styling, and all that. So, how could you manage all that? What is your success mantra or secret mantra?
Okay, my mantra is काम करते जाओ फल की चिंता ना करो. This is what I follow. So जितना
Super.
patient रहोगे more than enough अपना आ जाएगा.
All right, sweetie. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to watch your performance. So we will connect you again for your performance. So this was a small chat with you. Thank you so much for your beautiful choreography. So see you soon.
Thank you so much.
Yeah? Bye-bye. All right. So guys, now it's time. So as I already mentioned, we have 3 acts in today's virtual showcase. We have Ru Seniors, we have Ru Juniors, and we have Ru Mothers as well. So now we are starting up with Ru Seniors. So first and foremost, we have the winner of the free online dance competition in the senior category. We have Neeti Raj all the way from Uttar Pradesh. So I guess Neeti Raj is all here. So we've selected the Raj Adoja Dance Studio has selected Neeti Raj on the basis of his beautiful talent. So now we are gonna watch his performance. I am really looking forward to watch Neeti Raj performance. I've added Neeti Raj here. So guys, he's an amazing dancer. So that is the reason among so many people he has been selected as the winner in the senior category. Congratulations, first of all, Neeti. Thank you. So yes, I'm looking forward for your performance. All the very best. I'm going to go off screen. Yeah.
शंकर जी का डमरू बाजे, पार्वती का नंदन नाचे, बर्फीले कैलाश शिखर पर जय गणेश की धूम. जय हो, जय हो, जय हो, जय हो. झूमे गाए बाल गणेश, भक्त जनों के कटे कलेश.
Thank you. Thank you, Raj. So yes, share me your experience about your dance performance. The beats, the creative steps of yours were totally mind blowing. It was an amazing performance. Thank you so much, Neeti.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hope you
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. We loved it. We loved it. Thank you so much once again. All right, guys. So that was Neeti Raj, the winner of Ru online dance competition in the senior category. So we had a tie in this. Basically, हमको tie हुआ था. Neeti Raj के साथ-साथ we had one more performer that is the winner. That is Michael Raj. But Michael Raj थोड़े दिनों से he was not responding. I mean, we didn't get his response, so we had to skip. We tried to reach him, but we could not reach to him. So हमको उनका skip करना पड़ा. So the next performer who are gonna perform for all of you is Gayatri, the only person. So we have selected Gayatri on the basis of her, the maximum likes for a video. So we have uploaded all the videos on the official page of Raj Adoja Dance Studio, and she got the maximum likes in the senior category, not just in the category, but overall she's got the maximum likes of more than 1,000 likes. So yes, I'm so very excited to, add up Gayatri here with me. So yes, Gayatri is gonna join me very, very soon now. So guys, how was the Neeti Raj performance? Do light up your comments and tell us about how was the performance. Oh, hi.
Hello.
Looking very pretty in sari.
Thank you.
Thank you. So ready for the performance? Good to go. All the best.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much, Gayatri. That was, very, very graceful. Your classical dance steps to the trending Collywood number. So இந்த பாட்டு வந்து செமையா ட்ரெண்டிங்ல இருக்கு. நம்மளோட தளபதி விஜயோட பாட்டு எப்படி ஃபீல் பண்றீங்க? How do you feel? இது ஒரு செம்ம எனர்ஜெட்டிக்கான பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ். உங்களோட பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் how was the experience?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for joining and congratulations on winning this on the maximum. Thank you so much, Gayatri.
Thank you.
All right, guys. So that was Gayatri, the first runner-up in the senior category. So now we have the second runner-up of the second most liked video, and I'm going to add Meghna Modi all the way from Hyderabad, our second runner-up in the senior category, Meghna Modi. All right. So Meghna is going to join us very soon. Okay, guys. So Gayatri oda performance வந்து ரொம்ப வேற லெவல்ல இருந்துச்சு with her amazing traditional saree, her moves and everything. Traditional come Collywood number was a amazing fusion by Gayatri. So yes, keep supporting. So let me know how was Gayatri's performances. And guys, एक बात मैं definitely बोलना चाहूंगी, कहीं मत जाइएगा because live अभी तक बहुत बाकी है because we have so it's going to be a wonderful visual treat. Hi Meghna, are you there?
Hi.
We are not able to see your video. All right, until Meghna joins, why not we have a small dance number, guys? Come on. I'm a dance lover too. And then Meghna. Oh, hi. Hi, Meghna. Ready to go? All the very best.
Yeah.
Meghna.
Thank you.
My favorite song as well. Your dance was super energetic. Thank you so much for joining and
Thank you. Thank you.
wonderful performance. I hope you had a great time. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank
Thank you.
All right, guys. So that was Meghna with a spectacular performance. All right. So moving on. So as I already mentioned, मैंने already बोला था, in the winner option we had in the winner category we had two performances. The performers, that is Michael Raj and Neeti Raj. Since Michael Raj couldn't join us due to some issues, so now we have one more performer. So we thought we will give her a chance. That is Pooja. She is a very fabulous dancer. तो हमने सोचा कि उनके टैलेंट के लिए उनको डेफिनेटली एक मौका मिलना चाहिए टू परफॉर्म फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. Since Pooja is a very fabulous dancer, we have selected her on the basis of her talent to perform on this virtual showcase. So I'm going to add a yes, Pooja is going to join us very soon. So Pooja is from Maharashtra, guys. So all the way from Maharashtra. All right, so Pooja baby is all set. Pooja, all the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
दुनिया छूना चाहे मुझको जैसे उनकी सारी की सारे टूटे तारे की सारी तेरे इश्क में हुई आज़ादी मैं
Thank you.
Done, Pooja? हो गया आपका डांस? आई
Yes,
वाज वेटिंग फॉर मैं तो सोच रही थी आप और अच्छा करोगे. वो अमेजिंग. योर फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, योर परफॉर्मेंस वाज लाइक अ वेरी प्रोफेशनल डांस. आई मीन ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट for you for your wonderful career. I hope to see you in some Dance India dance ऐसे कुछ reality show में. I would
मैं
want
राज
to see
सर
you
को
very
भी
soon. Yes.
thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you so much, Pooja. So now guys, now
Thank you.
we are moving on to the category, that is Root Junior. We have Sagar Dilip Bapre. Can we have Sagar forward? He's also from the same place, so he's all with Pooja. Hi Sagar, can we have you on screen? Okay, that's Sagar all the way from us. So he is the winner of this free online dance competition. He's the winner of the junior category. So with a lot of applauses and comments, let's welcome Sagar. All the way, Sagar.
Manos नैनों से बहते अश्कों के धारों में हमने तुझको देखा चांद सितारों में विरहा की अग्नि में पल पल तपती है अब तो सांसें तेरी माला जपती है तेरे लिए तेरे लिए तेरे लिए इस दुनिया का हर सितम है गवारा सनम हो.
All right, Sagar. So this performance of Sagar was being choreographed by the teachers of the dance studio. Amazing, Sagar. You took my heart. All hats to you. Wonderful. Okay, बहुत
Thank
ही
you.
था. बोलिए, how ये क्या स्टाइल था बेसिकली?
Contemporary.
कंटेम्प्रेरी स्टाइल. सो आपका कौन योर रोल मॉडल इन डांस जिसको आप इंस्पायर करते हो? आई मीन हु इज योर इंस्पिरेशन? कोई है?
भगवान सर.
खूब.
भगवान सर. भगवान सर and Deepak sir. Thank. And
Thank you so much.
Raj sir.
much. All the very best. Yeah, for your career. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, live is this virtual showcase is getting much more, you know, amazing and excited because we had amazing performances by Pooja, by Sagar. So the next performance is we have the little cutie pie all the way from Coimbatore. His name is Tashva Jain, and we've selected Tashva Jain. He had the maximum likes for his video in the junior category, our first runner-up. So I'm gonna add Tashva Jain now. Yes, need update. All right, guys. So Tashva is going to join us in a couple of minutes. All right, just amazing. This guy and hi, Vani. Yes. Okay.
Hi.
Hi. So yes, now Tashva is going to perform Bala. Ready? Ready? Very good with his mustache and all that. So guys, let's come in and let's encourage Tashva. Yes. Thank you, Dev. That was a very, very, very beautiful performance. आपका mustache बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. Thank you. This performance is being taught by parents of Sujat. Mom and dad for her mom especially who's been a great support. So thank you so much once again. All right. So the next performance is in the junior category by Suhani. So she's a second runner-up, guys. So she's a second runner-up and she's got the second most likes. So she's been selected for her second most likes. So I'm going to add Suhani now. All right. So I want Suhani to come online. So can we have online? I'm not able to see. All right, she's all there. Suhani is all there. All right, Suhani is the second runner-up, guys. So she's got the second most like for her video in the free online dance competition. So Suhani is going to perform. So all these cute. Hi, Suhani, ready?
Ready.
Yes.
चली जांदी है
Thank you so much, Suhani. That was a very sweet performance by you. Thank you so much. You're looking such a princess. Thank you so much once again. Lots of love. Thank you. All right. So guys, बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है watching all these cute kids doing such awesome performances. So the next performance I'm moving on. So for the second runner-up, we had Suhani. This is ये tie हो गया था. So we have one more performer, that is Pihal, all the way from Chennai, who's got the second maximum like. So now we are gonna add Pihal now. So I guess Pihal is gonna rock. Yes, Pihal is all set to rock, guys. So Pihal is also gonna give a spectacular performance. So I hope you all are having a great time watching this live. Okay, Pihal, cool. She is all set. All the best, Pihal. Good. Oh, sharabi. Oh, such a cutie pie, Pihal. Thank you so much. Looking very pretty. And आपका performance बहुत ही cute था. Thank you so much. हाँ?
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. So yes, guys. So we are done with two categories. That is Ru Senior हो गया, Ru Junior भी हो गया. So now we are going ahead with the Ru Mothers category. But before that, I'm sure everybody is very much aware कि हमारा ये जो live का option होता है, that is extended only till 45 minutes to 50 minutes. So I'm just gonna cut this live. ये live cut करके I'm gonna come another live. Just in another 2 seconds, I'm gonna come another live. So yes, stay back, sit, relax, and enjoy and have fun. We have a lot more performances. Kahin mat jayega, because we have celebrity performers. We have Raj, we have Sweetie performing for all of you. So we shall start the next live in 2 seconds. So give me time. I'm just ending this and starting. Yeah. Alright guys, welcome back to the live part number 2. I want all of you to please join as soon as possible. Alright, I want all of you to join. Alright, so welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So now we are gonna have the next category, that is Ru Mothers. So mothers are, they are super talented, they are multi-talented, I would ever say, because mothers आके वो चीज़ होते हैं, वो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. So I'm so very excited to add mothers. So the first and foremost, we have the winner of this free online dance competition, Ru Mother winner in this, that is mothers category. We have Miloni Trivedi, all the way from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. She is the winner, and Raj Adocha Dance Studio have selected her on the basis of her wonderful talent. She is such a spectacular dancer. I'm gonna add Miloni now. Yes, Miloni is all set to rock. जैसे मैंने बोला था, शी इज अ ब्यूटीफुल डांसर गाइस, ट्रस्ट मी, उनका परफॉर्मेंस आप देखोगे तो ये यू विल गो फ्लैट. सो सच अ ब्यूटीफुल. Okay, she's
Hi,
also.
Deepika.
Hi Maloney, how are you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. All excited.
We all are. I'm so very excited, and all the audience out there are so excited to watch your performance. So all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hey, great applause for this amazing super duper energetic performance. What style was this, Meloni?
This was jazz.
This was jazz. Okay, so you are in
Yeah.
the category of blue mothers, but I don't think you look like a mom. How many quick kids do you have? Just cute.
I have a son.
You have a son, but you don't look like, you just look like you just completed college, and you know your style, your attitude, your moves are super amazing. All the very best for your future, and no doubt you are the winner of this category. Congratulations! Yeah,
Thank you
keep
so much.
rocking. Okay, thank
Thank
you,
you so much.
thank you. Bye bye. Yes. Alright, guys, that was Meloni Trivedi. Okay, I believe you all enjoyed watching her performances. So आप सब comments कर सकते हैं कि उनका performance कैसे था, because being a mother, doing a jazz style and all is really, she should have great applauses. And yes, I would definitely want to mention that this choreography of Trivedi Meloni is being done by Parthraj Parmar. So मैंने already बोला था कि we have guest performance who are going to perform for this showcase. So Parthraj Parmar ने ये choreography किया है. Who's going to perform for us in another few minutes of time? So keep waiting. So the next performer I'm going to add up is Komal Bokadia. So Komal Bokadia is all set, I believe, to rock. All right. So I'm going to add up Komal now. She's all the way from Chennai, guys. She is the second runner-up in the free online dance competition organized by the Raj Adroja Dance Studio, the mothers category. Hi, Komal.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, Komal is also all set in the. All the very best.
Thank you.
wow, this was a wow performance. Thank you, Komal. Okay, basically, you don't like a mother too. You look so young, you look so graceful. Keep rocking. So, all the mothers, they all should be like, you guys are a great inspiration for all the mothers out there. Thank you so much for your participation. Once again, thank you, Komal. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, guys. Okay, I'm sure. Okay, I'm just enjoying the wonderful performances of mothers, guys. आप सब देख रहे हैं उनको देखकर mothers ही नहीं लग रहा है. So next we are moving on. Without further ado, we are moving on to the next performance. That is by Alpa Panchal. That is the second runner-up of this mothers category, who's got the second maximum likes. And I'm gonna add up Alpa. Alpa, she's ready. Okay, so let me watch her performance. I'm sure she is also going to be rocking. She is 48 plus, guys. She is 48 plus. And, I'm super excited to watch her performance as well. All the mothers, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for all the mothers out there. Okay, she's all set. All the best.
चांदणी चतुर कामिनी काय म्हणू तुला तू आहेस तरी कोण कोण वही कोण छबीदार छबी तोया तुम्ही हजारा मुलाय छबी पीला छबीदार छबी तोया तुम्ही गोर मग मग छबी पीला छबीदार छबी तोया तुम्ही हजारा मुलाय छबी पीला छबीदार I guess she's having a little weak. Okay. Done, Alpa ji. That was a fabulous performance. Thank you. Okay, I have just one question for you. आपका एज है 48 प्लस, बट इतना अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस आप कर लेते हो, इतना अच्छा फिगर मेंटेन कर लेते हो, कैसे होता है? आप थोड़ा टिप्स तो बोलिए. I mean, your secret tips. How you look super cute as well. What is the secret behind everything? I guess she has a little. Thank you so much, and congratulations once again for being the second runner-up. See you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, I believe she had a little weak connection, but her performance was fabulous, guys. All right, so the moment which we've all been waiting for has finally come. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, so we had all the performers, we had all the participants who had performed beautifully. Once again, सारे performers के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां, एक बार जोरदार applauses. घर बैठे बैठे आप कर सकते हो. You can encourage them by commenting as well. All right, so now moving on to the guest performers. The first and foremost, we have the guest celebrity performer. His name is Parth Raj Parmar, guys. Parth Raj Parmar is all the way from Gujarat, that is Ahmedabad, Gujarat. He is the founder and choreographer of Evolve Dance Studio. So he has his own YouTube channel with 316,000 subscribers with million views. All right, isn't it amazing? So now he's just not a dancer, he's also actor, he's also directed in many short films,
and he's also been invited to perform in TikTok Creators Lab 2019 Hunt event. So this is truly amazing. Okay, Parth, are you all ready to join? So we are super duper excited to see Parthraj performance. Okay, so Parthraj is the only person who has been the choreographer for Meloni Trivedi, the winner of. Hi,
Hello, how are you?
good, good, good. How are you doing?
I'm fine, I'm fine. I'm all excited.
Ready, ready. Your outfit is looking fabulous. All the
Thank
way.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
All right. Okay, Parth. Since you've chosen a powerful song, so yes, how are you feeling?
Thank you, thank you.
कैसे
I'm
feel कर
out of breath. Sorry?
through soul to soul? How do you feel?
I'm feeling the Raj has initiated with very great event actually. And this is like, in this difficult time, it is very good to, get together like on Instagram, on this source, and then celebrate the dance together. So I really appreciate Raj for this. And thank you for inviting me.
Thank you. And how did you witness the performances of all the kids, mothers, juniors, seniors? How was
They're
that?
outstanding. They're outstanding. We have lots of talent in India, and this is the right platform to showcase all the talent. So Raj, really good job.
Exactly. Thank you so much, Parth. It is indeed a pleasure for all of us to watch you live. Thank you so much. You're a fabulous dancer, and I wish you many more laurels in your, career. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
So thank
See
you.
you.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much, Parth. Okay, Parth ने तो हिला दिया है, इतना superb rocking performance दिया. So next, we are gonna have the next celebrity performing for us, the next guest performer. So now we are gonna have a duet performance, guys. एक बहुत सारे लोग, I mean, all the performances one by one कर रहे थे. Now we are going to have the duet performance. Duet मतलब both the boys, yeah. So next we have Ashish and Major. So I'm gonna add up Ashish and Major, and then I'm gonna read up about how they are. Ashish and Major. I guess Ashish is online. Yes. All right. So talking about Ashish and Major, ladies and gentlemen, Ashish and Major, all the way from Mumbai. They're all the way from Mumbai. Yes, I'm going to give intro about you, Ashish and Major. Yes. Yes, a small intro. They're all the way from Mumbai and they've worked with several known and popular choreographers in Bollywood industry. They have performed in various TV shows and films as a dancer and choreographers and assistant choreographers. Wonderful. And now who's Ashish here? I just want to know who's Ashish.
Okay,
Who
by
is
the way, yeah. So my name is Ashish. Hi, I'm Major.
your major? Okay, so talking about Ashish separately, Ashish is coming up with a very new project with Urmila Thakur under Mahesh Bhatt Films. Okay, so this is
Yeah.
truly incredible. So how is about it? I mean, you just have to tell us about this amazing thing.
Yeah, actually this is like upcoming project. So I don't think so कि मैं इसके बारे में और कुछ ज़्यादा discuss कर पाऊंगा. So
Secret.
yeah, it's kind of secret.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And talking about Major, he has done ad films as a choreographer in Realme app and also done a music video as a choreographer in Baby Tonight for VH1 and so on.
Yeah.
Many like this. So you both are like, super duper talented. And without further ado,
Thank
let's go to your performance. Yes, all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so
And-
much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, we connected just now.
Okay, guys, we are just connecting a Bluetooth. Sorry for inconvenience.
No problem, no problem. I'm all here. You should have told me that. Okay. So guys, Ashish and Meg all the way from Mumbai for all of you. So this is gonna be a beautiful treat, visual treat, seeing this duet performance.
Okay, so
Yeah,
now we are ready now.
All the best.
Thank you so
Rock.
much.
Kill it.
मैं हूँ पीता सुन लो सनरीता अपनी मर्जी से जिंदगी जीता स्टेप वन अपना बेड बनाओ स्टेप टू सोडा कोक मिलाओ स्टेप थ्री यो का म्यूजिक बजाओ मुझे कोई मेरा इलाज बताओ किसी ने न रोका किसी ने न टोका बेबी मैं हूँ आग का धोखा हूँ पूरा क्रेजी इन अंग्रेजी हिला दूंगा दुनिया जो हो गया औखा I'm going loca, 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 loca. I'm going loca, 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 loca. Latte coca, 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 coca. Latte coca, 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 coca. Loca, 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 loca.
Okay.
Ashish and Major, that was a fabulous performance. You guys had a wonderful coordination, yeah. So हमको
Thank you
बताइए
so much.
the duet कैसे हुआ? I mean, you both became a pair. How was that? I mean, what is
So basically, we known Raj. Actually, OYP mein we are together. Me,
Okay.
me Major and Parth Raj also.
So we are in same batch, OYP 5.
So
Wonderful. Good, yeah, good to see you both, collaborating and dancing. Wonderful performance, and I hope all the audience of ours would have definitely enjoyed it. So yes, we want to know about you, about how do you feel being a part of this event?
yeah, this is amazing. I must say the talent which I saw, mothers also, and the
Yes.
kids.
Yeah,
I like the which one? This part. The cute one.
Exactly.
She's so good. She's so good.
They were all, so
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Raj is doing a fabulous job. All the best for him. And you are doing very good job. Thank you so much for inviting us.
Thank you so much, Raj, for inviting us. Thank you so much.
It is indeed our to have us here. So all the
Pleasure.
for taking your time out and making this happen for us. So once again, thank you so much and all the very best for your future. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah.
Alright guys, kahin mat jayega. After one performance, we'll have Sweetie performing for you, and then one more we have Raj. Just 3 more performances to go, and now we have the next guest performer performing for you. And talking about him, he is Gaurish Shaji Varghese. He is an outstanding dancer who has perfected the art with perfection and perseverance. So, he is a blooming buddy dancer withstanding more than 10 years of experience in this profession of dancing. मतलब 10 साल से ये profession में है. So this is totally incredible. And he is currently done his post graduation in Bharatanatyam and also holds second rank in the Tamil University for his masters in Bharatanatyam. I mean, Bharatanatyam is a very, very, very amazing form of dance, and he has done his masters and he's got his second rank. So this is totally incredible. Gauri, I'm so very eager to watch, Gauri's performance. Hi, Gauri. Hi, Gauri. You have a very unique, yeah?
Yeah. So today I'll be dancing a small Jadi from Charuveshi Varnam, and it was choreographed by Shijit sir.
All right.
And last time I'm doing a piece which I was choreographed, a small bit of a Jadi. So I'll end with that.
Super.
Okay.
I'm waiting for your performance. All the very best.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh my God, I have no words, Gauri. This was truly, such a graceful performance by you. And I
Thank you.
know there are a lot of dance acts. I mean, there are a lot of dance forms. Let it be contemporary, let it be hip hop, let it be style. But you chose Bharatanatyam. One of the toughest, one of the very, very difficult dance forms. I will say this because I'm not a very professional dancer. कैसे आपने choose किया ये genre?
Okay. Actually, I hail from Kerala, Palakkad.
Oh, you're from
So
Kerala.
I live near to a neighbor who's a dancer. So by seeing her, I was so inspired about her dancing, the way she thinks about her pieces.
Okay.
That's how I get into this.
I mean, your postures, your expressions were on mark. Trust me, you have a long way to go. So basically,
Thank you.
you've been, you've got second rank in the university. How was that possible? I mean, great achievement, Gauri.
It was just constant practice,
Constant.
and you should be with your teacher You should be learning so many things from her, and you should be very open-minded to, to look around you and learn from every single person you see. That's the
Definitely.
best thing which my teacher taught me.
And Gauris, trust me, you have such an amazing ability. I want you to train more and more people and get into this Bharatanatyam dance form, because it's one of the graceful dance forms ever. So I wish you all the very best. And anything you would want to share about this event, we are,
Yes.
it's indeed.
Thank you so much, Raj, and the whole team here. You guys are doing a wonderful job in this lockdown period. All this, I was watching from the first program here, and I could see all of them are very, with full of energy, and they are very excited to be a part of this. And this is the best way you could give exactly, this is the best way you could entertain us.
Thank you.
So thank you so much, Raj, that you invited me for this. And I'm very, 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 very much touching my heart. I'm saying you, I'm so lucky to be this.
Thank you, Gauris. It's indeed, we are delighted to have you and watch your spectacular act. Thank you so much. Keep rocking, and all the very best for your future. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. All right. So Gauri's Bharatanatyam performance was mind blowing, guys. So yes, you would be watching the different styles. So now time aa gaya hai to add the lady herself. That is the very, very talented choreographer, the multi-talented girl. So I'm gonna add up Sweetie now. So Sweetie is gonna join with us with her beautiful performance. Sweetie, can you come online? I guess Sweetie is a little held up with something. All right. Sweetie, I'm eagerly waiting for her performance, because Sweetie ने बहुत सारे लोगों को train किया है. So now it's her turn to, show her fabulous performance. All the very best, Sweetie.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, Sweetie, you nailed it, man. Wonderful performance. Okay, so Raj ने already बताया था कि you are very known for your grace, your patience and perseverance. You did a fabulous job, and this is such a beautiful song which everybody loves this, and you did an amazing job, amazing performance. So बताइए, being a multi-talent, you're also a costume designer, I believe, right?
Actually, my sister is a costume designer, but I like designing
You do
few kind of costume.
All right, so Yes, anything you would want to share about the performances आपने देखा होगा, the juniors, seniors, mothers, so आपका क्या राय है? How did you feel about it?
It was really really good because
really-
सभी लोग एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म में आके परफॉर्म करना is very great, and at this time we are doing it, so it's commendable, and I think we should thank Raj because he has come up with a great idea.
And thank you too, because you took the lead starting from planning, execution. So कैसे था overall journey? How was it? The 10
It
years.
was fun.
It was
It was
fun.
fun. Yeah, a lot. Because जब भी कोई वीडियो आया, we were very excited. कैसा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, कितने किसको लाइक आ रहे हैं, every day the like fluctuated. So it was really fun.
But एक को मतलब coordinate करना, मतलब सबसे बात करना, it would have been little hectic, right?
हाँ, it was hectic a bit, but that's okay. वो part and parcel of our work. Nothing can be done उसमें.
Passion is on, you don't mind doing anything,
Yeah.
right? Okay, fabulous. And truly, as he said, you were the main pillar. And thank you so much for your wonderful support you've been delivered. And thank you so much for your beautiful performance. So yes, keep like this. We would want to see many more events like this. Yeah, so keep organizing such events, and all the very best. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. All right, guys, though that was a very, very sweet and gracious performance by Sweetie. So now, last but not the least, we have our wonderful performer for the evening, the man himself, the man behind this spectacular event. So when I asked Raj, ki Raj, tell me about you, ki meko kya bolna hai about you. So he's like, I don't want you to talk anything about me. For me, only my team matters, only their success, and I mean, only their hard work should be recognized. So let me add Raj now. All right, so we've been all waiting for all the audience out there. Thank you so much, everyone. We have so many people watching this live. So I would really want to thank all of you for watching the live from the beginning till now. Hi, Raj. Okay, बहुत superb लग रहे हो. You're looking great, Raj. So what performance are you gonna perform for us?
Okay, thank you so much, Deepika. You're doing a great job. जितना हमने expect किया था 1.5 hours में खत्म करना, you finished it in 1.5 hours.
Thank you. It's my pleasure, and I was so very excited, yaar, seeing everybody's performance. And lockdown में ना, like we were all so bored. I mean, मेरे को ready होके ही मतलब 2 महीना हो गया. So now getting ready for an event was a great feeling. So thank you so much for the opportunity, Raj.
Thank you so much, Deepika. And I want to thank you people. You people need not thank me, yaar. There's a Parthraj, Goris, Ashish, Major, Sweetie. You people accepted the invite. बहुत बड़ी बात है. And I didn't expect इतना अच्छा होगा, मतलब इतने लोग जुड़ेंगे, इतने participants आएंगे, and all those winners also. जितनी बार भी बोला है वीडियो भेजा है, घर बैठे बैठे इतना अच्छा कॉस्ट्यूम उन लोगों ने मतलब मैनेज किया है. So credit to them. And mothers, मतलब कि मैं अभी तक मेरे को आपके बच्चों का बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट देखना पड़ेगा. मैं मानूंगा ही नहीं mothers जो करके. The way you people dress up, the way you people dance.
They just nailed it, man. They just nailed it. All the 3 mothers, I could not believe that they are still mothers. So they be true inspiration to a lot many people. So आपके डांस के बारे में बताइए now. Tell me about your dance, about costume especially. थोड़ा खड़े हो जाइए. Let's see your costume. Great, wonderful. Okay.
I'm going to perform on this song called 99 Names. और इस गाने में there's no sentence, all just words like kind, giver, godfather, and the reason behind my success, मतलब जितना भी मैंने पाया, that is because of the other people's. जैसे like years back when I met my guru, what I planned to achieve in 2 years, that person made me achieve it in a year. जो knowledge, जो experience मेरे को चाहिए था, he made me do it in a year. So this is for you, Shamak, if you're watching it, and this is for my mentor and well-wishers like Tushar sir. When we are planning to take our studio to 4th level, from 3rd level to 4th level, fortunately, right time, right person I met was Tushar sir. So if you're watching this, Tushar sir, thank you so much. And what we plan to achieve in 4 years for level 3, we could do it in 2 years because of the people of Coimbatore. Itna trust or itna support jo mila na mere ko. So this is for you people. If this show or if any of this performance can make you smile or bring a smile on your face or be a reason for that, और क्या चाहिए अपने को, बस इतना ही चाहिए.
And your initiative was to spread smile, happiness, joy, laughter. I believe your initiative, the story, I mean, the reason behind this event has been possible. So let me watch your performance and then we'll come back talking to you. Yes? All the very best.
Thank you.
لا إله إلا هو الرحمن الرحيم الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر الخالق البارئ المصور الغفار القهار الوهاب الرزاق الفتاح العليم القابض الباسط الخافض الرافع المعز المذل السميع البصير الحكم اللطيف الخبير الحليم العليم الغفور الشكور الحليم الكبير الحفيظ المقيم الحسيب الجليل الكريم الرقيب المجيب الواسع الحكيم الودود المجيد الباعث الشهيد
Great performance, Raj.
Thank you so much for watching, guys.
Wonderful, wonderful. It was truly, eye-soothing performance. You really did a fabulous job. Thank you so much, Raj. Thank you.
Thank you. I want to thank you, Deepika, for taking this lead, and
My
I want to
pleasure.
thank few people whom have supported us without mentioning their name. But like Instagram channel, my Instagram page जैसे dancing faculty हो गया. All those teachers जिनके पास आप सीख के participate करके जीते हो, thank them. जैसे Dream Dance Studio हो गया. Okay, and thank your parents also. Okay, and I would like to thank my parents, my family, and your family for supporting you and letting you do this job अभी इस वक्त. वरना you know कितना शोर होता है घर पे. Thank you so much, Deepika. Thank you so much.
I've told them कि 1-2 घंटे के लिए रूम में बिल्कुल मत आओ. I am just leave me alone. So they are all trust me, family. Without family, nothing is possible, Raj. Without the family support, definitely I'm telling you, let it be me, let it be you, let it be anybody in any artist. So without their support, it is definitely impossible.
I want to thank again one more time Parth Raj, Ashish, Major, Goris, Sweetie. ये level नहीं होता आप लोगों के बगैर. So thank you so much. Hope I can do something in return for you people. कोई भी participant हो, winner हो, guest performance हो, for you Deepika, anything. It'll be great. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Hope I come back again with some great show where I can give some cash prize to those people who are talented in this time.
And I have only one request, Raj. ऐसे बहुत सारे shows, keep organizing, keep doing a lot more shows like this, and your talent is incredible. I also wish you a lot more success in your career. Thank you so much for the opportunity. It was a wonderful experience. So once again, thank you for making my day, and all the participants, once again, all the viewers of this live, of this virtual showcase. Thank you so much from my heart for taking your time out, for support and everything. Thank you.
What I am today is because of what or where I am or who I am, it is because of one of my gurus, and that's Shamak. So Shamak, if you're watching this, thank you so much. Hope we made you bring a smile on your face.
100% you did. Thank you so much, Raj. Thank you. Bye-bye. All right, guys. So as I already mentioned, we are now done with this virtual showcase. I believe you all enjoyed watching this live. So I see a lot of comments. Let me read few comments for all of you. This was the unforgettable memory in this lockdown time. So yes, in this global pandemic where we all are very much bored and everything. So watching such amazing performances by the kids, by seniors, by mothers, this was truly made our day and was amazing. Thank you so much. So everybody is commenting, especially all of you who are watching this live, who are commenting. Thank you so much for spreading this positivity, the fire, your support, your encouragement. So keep supporting once again. It was lovely being a host for all of you. And thank you once again, Raj Adroja Dance Studio, for giving me this opportunity and making my day much more lively and happy. So yes, let's keep spreading smile. And we have the saying, for every beginning there is an end, for an every end yet this and the beginning. So yes, let me see you all soon sometime. So until then, take care, bye bye. This is Deepika Jain signing off. Thank you.